Rick Péwé.
Clay Estep.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We're here with Clay. We're looking at his, what is it?
It's a stretched M38, stretched 22.5 inches, full rec tube frame. Did all the sheet metal work, all new steel except for the cowl and the grill and the hood. Highline front fenders, tube fenders, full flat belly, gas tanks raised in the rear, everything skinned with UHMW. Running gear.
Windshield's pretty interesting.
Oh yeah, it's a M38 windshield has been chopped 2 inches. The seats are so low that I needed to lower it so I can see the end of the hood. And then let's see, Toyota running gear, 22RE, 5-speed, dual cases, 228s, 47s, and the axles have 488 gears, Detroit in the rear, E-locker in the front. Sunken winch, copied Brennan on that.
No copies.
Copied Rick. And then this is about it. 1.5 inch DOM cage.
Is it wider than the stock club?
The track width is wider,
yeah.
but the tub is the same width.
That's pretty cool.
And then let's see.
So obviously it's clean. The question is, how many trails does it see?
We've ran Benson things, Hell's Revenge, Cliffhangers where I blew up the front end. Moab Motorsports fixed me up, and then we ran Steel Bender yesterday.
That's awesome. So this is not a typical M38, but it is quite a custom one. Clay, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Go have some fun living today.
Yes, sir.
I'm Rick Péwé for Gone Cheapin'. It definitely stands out.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it is.
So you say it right too, Toyota.
I bought a 4Runner that had been flopped numerous times, and the roof had been ported back out. And running gear
So
was
it had
good.
less structure than even.
It was terrible.
Those things.